Okay, next portfolio. Good old Ted. Ted from Bulgaria. So, I will preface this with I am not a character artist. Everyone who always hangs out in here knows I always say this. In that profile picture, dude, if you're actually a dog, that would be crazy. Be like, holy crap, get this dog a job. Um, Quilly stream. No, I got plans. I got plans. That's why. That's one of the main reasons we're moving. Anyways, this character is pretty well done. Proportion wise, looks pretty good. Materials look pretty nice. I wish there was more images because I want to see like how the materials look up close. Like his skin looks pretty good, but it's also a little bit doffed out. A bigger, better stream. What? Hang on. Chat is what a bigger. Would a black and white sketch work as reference image for stream critiques? I mean, yeah. If you just want some opinions on the stuff, yeah. Oh, let's check out this guy. I'm already stoked. Let me see this. Oh my god, those eyes. Oh, this is cool, man. I immediately turn this way. I'm like, subsurface? Subsurface? Does, I don't know if, Marmoset, if the toolbag viewer has subsurface in it. In general, though, this is pretty, That's cool. And the, I think my favorite thing is the details of this armor. Like, look at the, like, that is cool, man. Let's see what maps it's in. Yeah, cool. That's good. It's not really in much of the maps other than through the gloss. What's the albedo looks like? Yeah, albedo's quite subtle when it comes to that. Oh man, that mouth. Dude, you need to, after you eat, man. I know those barbecue wings are so good, but you gotta clean that up, buddy. I only reference barbecue wings because that's how my mouth looks after I eat a bunch of barbecue wings. Nice and shiny like that. This is pretty cool, though. 5-1, huh? And it's a pilot. I wonder what that means. Super cool. Yeah, I think the only thing I would say is maybe getting some subsurface. Or, like, go some crazy route where when you lower the brightness of a scene, like I know this is in Toolbag, and you made this in Softimage, in ZBrush, that's cool. Like when you bring the opacity or the brightness of the scene down, maybe some like under skin emissives come through. Oh, that would be so cool. You're like, Softimage, I like this guy. This is awesome though, and his eyes they are penetrating. It's slightly terrifying. This is cool. So this is some Half-Life action. It feels Half-Life-y to me. Yeah, HEV suit. Work in progress, but still cool. I like the attention to detail up here, and like just basically where the armor would meet the body. It's really important that it looks comfortable. And kind of like sells its volume, like it's thick, right? Like that's a thickness that's going on there. And like, dude, look where the gloves are. That's cool. Look at that. I feel like I could put my hand through that glove and actually feel comfortable moving around. So that's really good. Let's see what else. So that is all that is in here right now. I look forward to more characters, man. I think I don't know. I would really like to see this suit completed. I would really like to see some Gordon Freeman gracing our faces. But yeah, I think you're on the right path and you're just more characters. Show diversity. Show male, female statues. Material definition through different types of materials, metals, skins, leathers. I guess that's skins, right? Yeah. Just more. Just more. This was a short portfolio review. I apologize. But I guess since there's only 3, we'll go back to this guy because my G's. My G's. This area. Oh, I had to go back there, didn't I? Super cool, man. All right. One more portfolio. No, wait. Yeah, one more portfolio. I think.